Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to change the wallpaper for your iPhone. So initially you want to go to Settings, and now we're going to scroll to find Wallpaper category. Click on that. And now we've made a few wallpapers in the past, but to make a new one, all you have to do on the bottom, press Add New Wallpaper. Once we have that open, we can either go to the featured wallpapers that iPhone has already given us, or we can go to the suggested photos, or we can go a step further and just click on the top left corner where it says photos and choose photos from our library. But for now, I just want to go on the featured ones, and I really like this Unity one all the way to the right. I'm going to click on it, and now we're given the option to add widgets. And what are widgets? It's kind of like an extension of like what kind of weather we're having or different apps. So I can click on that, and I can click TikTok widget, Shazam widget, weather widget, battery widget, and this is kind of how it looks. So I'm going to add TikTok, Shazam, and let's do the weather as well. I'm going to click the X now, and now on the top right corner, I can just click add, and now I've successfully added that wallpaper. And then when I lock my screen, it shows up like that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful, and have a great day.